How to connect Google Calendar to ClickUp. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open any project. So as you can see, I have this one here, which is project 1. Then the next step is to switch to a calendar view. So as you can see, you have different types. You have board, list, calendar, and other. So what you're gonna have to do is simply select calendar, and then the next step is to simply click on customize, and then simply click on sync with calendar. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on add account next to Google Calendar, and basically here you're gonna have to choose any of these. As you can see, sync events to ClickUp or sync tasks to Google. So depending on your needs, so as you can see, the first one, choose which calendars you want to see inside of ClickUp, then overlay events in any calendar view. Changes made in ClickUp will be synced back to Google Calendar. Then you have sync tasks to Google, so see your task inside Google Calendar. When you move task in ClickUp, we'll sync those changes to your calendar. So you're gonna have to choose any of these, then click next, and then you're gonna have to simply connect your Google Calendar account. So since I don't use Google Calendar, I don't have any. So if you have any, simply connect it, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.